Clare Sudbery, Senior Software Consultant, Technology. Hello. I'd like to talk about something called extreme programming and how I believe it can help female software engineers. It's no secret that there aren't very many female software engineers. Figures vary, but it's something like between 10 and 15% of all software engineers are female, and this can cause all sorts of problems. So, what is extreme programming? It is a part of something called Agile, which is a methodology that encompasses lots of different ideas, but in this context I think the most important one is that we value people over process. And for extreme programming, which also involves many different techniques, the one that is probably the most relevant is something called pair programming. So with pair programming, instead of having one person working on one piece of code at one computer, you have two people working on one piece of code at one computer. And when I first heard about this, I thought it sounded horrendous, which is not unusual when people first hear about it. I really didn't like the idea of being that closely tied to somebody, but when I experienced it, I discovered it was brilliant. And the reason it's brilliant is that it allows me to closely see what my colleagues are doing. And the reason that matters is that I've always had a tendency to believe that everybody I worked with knew more and was cleverer than me. By working this closely with them, I discover that they are fallible. They're not omniscient. They make mistakes. Sometimes I know more than them, sometimes vice versa. But this, along with many other techniques in extreme programming, has really helped me. So much so that I now talk about it, write about it, and I would like to tell you all about it.